vegan Tutti Fruity ice cream. We will need a container, coconut milk, fruit cocktail and heavy syrup, and gummy bears. Gummy bears, vanilla extract, coconut whipping cream, and a banana. Now let's get started. It looks like it's sunbathing. Hello everyone, I'm trying action in there. Do we fill up the whole thing?
Yep. And we have the
Fruit left.
fruit cocktail.
Now I'm going to add in the ingredients into the blender. Here I go. What does vegan really mean? Veganism is a type of vegetarian diet that excludes meat, eggs, dairy products, and other animal ingredients. Many vegans also do not eat foods that are processed using animal products such as refined white sugar and some wines. Now we're going to have a taste test. I think who's going first.
I'm happy with that. Here. Tastes good? Is it sweet enough? Okay.
I want to taste another go.
Huh? Okay, another go.
It tastes so good.
It tastes, what do you taste most of?
The banana.
Of course.
The banana is the biggest thing.
Okay, your turn.
I get 2 turns. So good.
Here you go.
Thank you. Good?
What do you think?
Good.
Want another taste?
Uh-huh.
Here.
We really want another go.
Oh, here.
I want one more go.
We got it. Here.
You can't put our germs back in. Just so delicious.
It's good?
Yeah.
All right, let's see how it tastes.
Good?
Yeah. That's really delicious. And I do taste most of the banana.
But when I put my
really good.
tongue up the plate, I can taste the coconut whipping cream.
I taste the banana. I taste the banana. I taste the whipping cream. It's really creamy. Don't you think it's creamy?
I can taste the banana and whipping cream, but this is like, I can't fit. But when I put it in, I feel I can kind of taste that.
But you know what's going to happen? When
What?
we put the fruit cocktail in and we freeze it, it's going to be so delicious.
With our topping.
With the topping.
Now we're going to put our mixture into the ice cream maker.
So where's the ice cream maker?
Right here. And this is part of it, and this is part of it.
Okay. What's going on with the ice cream maker?
Well, first we had to freeze this part because we want it cold, and it has to make the ice cream, of course. This is to churn it, and this is the top. So now we're going to turn on the ice cream maker and pour our mixture in slowly. Who is a vegan person? Vegans are individuals who avoid animal products for ethical, health, or environmental reasons, or a combination of the three. Instead, they eat various plant foods, including fruits, vegetables, whole grain, legumes, nuts, seeds, and products made from these foods.
Do you know how long it's been since I've eaten ice cream? Oh my goodness gracious. Yes.
How long?
Long time. Because now we got vegan ice cream. I can eat it. Yay! Yay! Well, look at the ice cream. Oh my goodness gracious. It looks so delicious and I can't wait to eat it. So we have the ice cream here. Oh my goodness.
I'm
look
gonna
at
put
it.
the accessory
And we're
spoon.
tasting it.
Very good.
It's good.
I give this a 10 out of 10. I give these 11 out of 11. Actually,
At 11 out of 11.
actually 1,000. I give
Let
it
me
1,000 out of
taste
0.
it. Wow.
It's so good.
I'm impressed with this. Oh my. This is going to be happening all the time.
Next, Mommy, we have a part 3. We
are going to be making ice cream a lot. This is like soft served ice cream.
Can we add gummy bears? I can't stop eating this. It's so delicious. Yeah, it's too good. But once you get scooped with a fruit, it's even more good.
Okay. So
Mommy, you gotta try.
yeah, I sure do. Now, what's that in your hand?
Gummy bears.
Yeah. You want to try putting your gummy bears in there?
Sure. I'm gonna get this done with mine. His head. He got hurt and he fell.
Okay. Meanwhile, while you're doing that, I'm gonna try the ice cream.
I think that's all I wanted.
Mmm.
I want two of mine. I want one of yours. I'm gonna mix mine up.
Oh my goodness, this is so good.
Try me back one of yours.
It's so cold. It's so creamy.
It's so good.
And it's so good.
I'm mixing mine in. Me too. I got some still but left in my bag because I want to save
You know, this is creamier than
the last one.
than you get the ice cream from the store.
Yeah.
This is delicious. You got your gummy bears in there? So, Kenzie, where are your gummy bears?
They're all mixed in.
Okay, where are your gummy bears?
They're all mixed in.
Well, we're supposed to have it looking like a topping, but it's okay. The ice cream is delicious. So we gotta hurry up and put the ice cream in the freezer so it
Can I have more?
yeah, you can have more. So it won't melt just sitting out.
Mommy, you need to taste it pronto. They can be in stores. Yeah. Right, Mommy? We can make it in stores.
It can. Oh, this is good.
I'm gonna eat this in the family room, eating. Look, we're looking at a
And it's
room.
healthy too.
Yay!
Yes, we don't have any sugar in here. Well, you're eating sugar, I'm not, but that's okay. I don't want any sugar. The only thing that we have, the banana. The banana usually make anything sweet, like your drinks, your smoothies and stuff like that. But
I can look for out of the chair to this. She's the last one. Now the other down digest.
you know what would be good in here?
What?
Some walnuts,
What is walnut?
pecans.
What's pecan and walnut? Oh no, what is that? Can it stop?
Oh, you know what would be good in here?
What?
Raisins.
Yeah. Yeah.
I can't get over this. It's so cold and delicious.
We need to make ice cream more often, Mommy. It's so delicious.
Oh, wow. Next time, you know what I'm going to do?
What?
I'm going to put, the coconut is so good. I'm going to buy real shredded coconut. The coconut has like a sweetness to it. And, excuse me. You have your gummy bears. I want the sweetness of the coconut. Okay, what I want to next time I want to make pineapple coconut ice cream. That would be so delicious. So we made, what kind of ice cream is this?
Tutti Fruity Vegan ice cream.
Good. You know what made it real creamy?
What? Coconut whipping cream.
Coconut whipping cream. That's what made it really creamy.
Thank you, whoever made coconut whipping cream. You're the best. You could earn so many thumbs up. Mom, can we have some of this for breakfast tomorrow? Wait, what?
So walnuts and pecans and raisins. Mmm.
No.
Wow. I can't believe we did this. This is mmm.
Mom, that's the best idea that you come up with for making vegan ice cream.
Well, what do we say to our audience?
Goodbye. Like, subscribe, and comment down below.